Hello. We gotta go. We gotta hurry up. The hurricane is almost here. Where you at?
Because I don't have any more. Hi guys, my name is Angelina. I'm 4 years old and I'm gonna try Angelina picture. Chat with me.
Vamos a quítate eso para que pueda. Vamos a ver. So, we have to buy. ¿Qué tenemos que comprar, mami? What we have to buy?
Chicken.
For what? We're gonna buy chicken.
Because we need to bring it to her because we have no more.
Okay. And we need for the hurricane, right?
Yeah, and already.
Hurricane Henry is coming, so we need food in the house, right?
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yeah.
¿Qué hace, Angelina? What you buying? Hey.
Well, I was getting that one before, but I didn't get it because I didn't have to get that for the hurricane.
Oh. Hold on. You wanna get one?
Yeah.
Which one?
That's the rainbow slide.
What if you get this one first? Agárrame. Hold me there. Se cayó. Hold it. I get this. What we gonna get now? What we gonna buy now?
We're gonna bring pizza.
The juice or the
Yeah.
pizza?
Yeah, we didn't buy the pizza yet.
Say it again?
Because we didn't buy the pizza yet.
Oh.
So that's when I started
Okay.
it.
All right. So let me see the juice now. We find juice. Oh, let me buy some beans. Come. Angelina, come. What you want?
I found this.
Macaroni and cheese?
Yeah, I remember that.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like this one.
Or you don't want the big one like this? Like this one?
No, because I want this one.
Okay. Okay, take it. Let's go. What about the juice? We need juice in the house.
Okay. So we're gonna buy this one.
Okay.
I can
Okay, let's go. Why are you looking there? We're coming to buy food. We don't come in to buy toys.
But that's why I need to buy the
Hello. We gotta go. We gotta hurry up. The hurricane is almost here. Where you at?
because I don't have any more.
Okay. All right. Go.
I'm gonna show you something.
We need to make a line. Come. Stand up here. There is people in front.
Guys, where are you going?
What do you say? Oh, this is for the car for Merry Christmas. Well, it's not Merry Christmas. We're not gonna buy this now.
No, I said this is the Halloween for cats.
Oh, Halloween. Oh,
Halloween.
okay, you say you don't like Halloween.
Yeah, because it looks so scary. But actually, it's so nice because
So we're ready to go? Ready?
we have to go through stairs.
No, we could go from over here.
Well, we can also use the people so we can collect them for us.
Okay, let's go.
And that is a big box over there because I have a new one.
Yeah, you have a new home?